Yo guys, what's good? Today I'm gonna show you how to watch free anime on your laptop or your PC. So you want to actually type in Zoro.to, then you want to enter it. Then you want to search the anime you want to watch. So I'm gonna search Naruto, okay? Naruto. Then I'm gonna click on Naruto because I want to watch Naruto, okay? Click on it. And by the way, this website has no ads, guys. So then click on Watch Now. And if you want to change the episode, just like click on any episode, like 42, like any episode. And then it's gonna load. Yeah. And just go full screen and just you're watching free anime. And it's dubbed right here. So like it's gonna be in English. And if you don't want it dub, you wanna like see it in Japanese, so just turn it off. Okay? So that's how you watch free anime on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching.